Hello, I am Neha. Here are the top highlights from Amazon CTO Dr. Werner Keynotes on day 4 of AWS reInvent 2023. I am repeating again. AWS reInvent 2023 seems like the AWS Generative AI Summit, focusing only on generative AI and trying to highlight or sell Amazon Q and its integration with other services. Amazon Q is their newly announced chatbot, which can help users get fast, relevant answers to pressing questions, solve problems, and generate content. There are no major announcements from other stacks. Here you can see the details of all 5 announcements from day 4. We will go through it one by one. And here you can see the official announcement from day 1, 2, 3, and 4. I also published separate description for all days. You can check same from comment section. If you carefully view their official announcement, I am pasting the URL to download same in comment section as well. I was saying if you carefully view their official list, you will find max announcements linked from generative AI. Here are from the analytics, application integration, blockchain, business applications, cloud financial management, cloud operations, compute, container, and customer enablement section. And here from database, developer tools, end user computing, front end web and mobile and generative AI. And here from IoT, machine learning, migration and transfer, networking and content delivery, partner, quantum technologies, security, identity, and compliance. And here from storage, support, and well-architected section. Let's start with myApplications in the AWS Management Console. In my view, it's just a new experience in the AWS Management Console that makes it easier to manage and monitor the cost, health, security posture, and performance of applications in single place. Next announcement is Amazon CloudWatch Application Signals. Amazon CloudWatch Application Signals is going to help organizations for operations as it's going to start supporting automatically instrument applications based on best practices for application performance. As per AWS, there is no manual effort, no custom code, and no custom dashboards. Organizations can have a pre-built, standardized dashboard showing the most important metrics such as volume of requests, availability, latency, and more for the performance of your applications. And here is the next announcement: AWS Application Composer in VS Code. Developers can use Application Composer's drag and drop interface to create an application design from scratch or import an existing application definition to edit it. And the next announcement is Amazon Inspector CI/CD container scanning. Amazon Inspector now integrates with leading developer tools like Jenkins and TeamCity for container image assessments. This integration allows developers to assess their container images for software vulnerabilities within their continuous integration and continuous delivery tools, pushing security earlier in the software development lifecycle. Assessment findings are conveniently available within the CI/CD tools dashboard, allowing developers to take automated actions in response to critical security issues, such as blocking builds or image pushes to container registries. And the last announcement is Amazon SageMaker Studio Code Editor. With Code Editor, developers have access to thousands of Visual Studio Code compatible extensions from OpenVSX registry and the pre-configured AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio Code for developing and deploying applications on AWS. Thanks for watching summary of AWS reInvent Day 4. If you are looking for similar summary from Day 1, 2 or 3 or download the official announcement list, please check comment section for same. And if you are looking for any specific details, please drop a note to email addresses mentioned in screen. Subscribe and stay tuned for our next series on generative AI.